If there's one dashboard light that loves to come and go with the seasons, it's TPMS. Now, as temperatures swing from cold mornings to warmer afternoons, pressures shift, sensors wake up differently, and customers get confused fast. Those temperature swings actually tell you a lot about the health of a customer's TPMS system and what might be waiting for you in the bay. So let's dive into what this means for your shop next. When temperatures drop, air contracts. That means a tire that was perfectly set at 35 psi in the fall might be sitting several psi lower by winter. And that's enough to trigger that familiar yellow TPMS light. In March, as temperatures bounce back, these systems sometimes behave inconsistently. This is your moment to check pressures, top off each tire, and look for slow leaks that cold weather exposes. It's an easy win and a great reminder to customers that tire pressure isn't a set it and forget it deal, but it should be thought of as seasonal maintenance. Those swings can also reveal early sensor issues. If a light stays on even after pressures are corrected, or if one tire consistently reads differently from the others, that's a sign a sensor may be aging out. Batteries weaken after years of hot-cold cycles, and cold weather often pushes them over the edge. A quick look at valve stems can tell you a lot without even pulling out the scan tool, although honestly, it's good practice to hook up the scan tool no matter what. Corroded stems, cracked rubber, or caps that went missing during winter storms all make TPMS more vulnerable. A small check now can prevent a bigger headache for both you and your customer once summer heat arrives. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm David Sickles, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.